Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. SoFi Technologies stock fell 5.8% on Tuesday. The decline of the stock does not seem to be caused by the previous selling of locked-in capital, but the selling of profitable capital and the panic selling of the market, so the stock price fell firmly and quickly. However, the trading volume and turnover rate of the stock on Tuesday did not increase significantly, which means that the selling of the stock has not ended yet, but there is not much room for the stock price to continue to fall, and the bottom does not seem to be far away. Data shows that the daily short-selling ratio of the stock was 11.6% on August 29th, while the ratio was around 10% from August 30th to September 3rd, which reflects that the bearish sentiment of the stock has not increased further with the decline of the stock price, which is a positive sign. After the close of September 3rd, the stock price did increase a lot of transactions between $7.50 and $8.1, but the distribution was relatively scattered because the bulls also tried to block the selling of the bears. But the real main battlefield of the stock is not in this range, but between $7.1 and $7.50. This area is the relatively concentrated area of the stock's trading volume, so the stock price is likely to find a foothold in this range. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock price rose strongly on August 29th with a large trading volume, and then the stock price began to fall back at $8.30, but the trading volume generated during the decline was not large. Although the current price is lower than the opening price on August 29th, it seems that not much money has flowed out of the market when the stock price is high. We see that the bulls began to strongly pull up the stock price at $7.1 in the morning of August 23rd. Because it prevented the stock price from falling further in the previous trading day, there is bullish support here, which is also an important observation position. If the stock price falls below this position later, then the situation is really bad, but this position is more than 5% away from the current price and has accumulated a large number of transactions, so it is not easy for the stock price to fall below this area. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the capital flow data of this stock in the last 4 trading days has changed very interestingly. The net capital outflow of the stock was large when the stock price fell sharply on August 28th and September 3rd, and the capital outflow was relatively small when the stock price was at a relatively high level. This is consistent with the previous analysis because when the stock price is above $7.50, the capital flowing into and out of the market is large, so the difference is very small, which also reflects that this wave of decline of this stock should be a normal price correction, not a downward trend, at least for now. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of this stock. We can see that the position distribution of the stock between $7.50 and $8.1 is gradually decreasing, which reflects that the selling force is not strong when the stock price is high. Most of the current positions of this stock are distributed between $7.1 and $7.50, so the stock price has reason to find support in this range, but the stock also has a relatively negative side. Because the high-weight stocks under this sector have not really fallen yet. If the credit services sector encounters a large amount of short selling later, then this will undoubtedly bring more negative sentiment to the stock. However, as I mentioned before, it is not easy for the stock price to fall below $7.1, because the bulls at this level may frantically block the bears, so I am moderately bullish on the stock at present. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for SoFi Technologies stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.